What is going on, everyone? It is MotoMiracle, and in today's video I'm going to do a gear review on these HotWired heated gloves. So if you want to ride all winter and be comfortable and warm, then let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. Alright, so today we are going to be talking about these HotWired heated gloves. They are gorgeous, baby. Woo! So basically I've had these gloves for a year now. Last year I rode all winter in Connecticut. Doesn't matter if it was 10 degrees, 5 degrees, and I think the coldest actually was 15. But rode in the ice, rode in the snow, well, close in the snow. But yeah, I rode all winter. Didn't matter, you know, that was my vehicle. Come on, man, let's go. Right now in West Texas, in Midland to be exact, it is about 32 degrees, but with the wind chill it feels like it's about 25. So I figured might as well do the, you know, this review, this gear review on these HotWired heated gloves. Perfect time to use it. How many times are we really going to use it in Texas, you know? So I got it from Cycle Gear. There's actually is a video on YouTube, and you just type in HotWired heated gloves, and I think the first one is the Cycle Gear one, and that'll be up here in the upper right corner here, and I'll put it in my description just in case. Yeah, like basically in this video it explains everything you need to know. So for this one right here, what I'm going to talk about is basically my review, like how I feel about with this, you know. They're about $160. So I mean, I think it's worth it because it does come with the extension to put around your back and put it down to your battery, and it comes with the battery, basically the little wires, and I'm gonna put a picture up here of it. It's got the adapters onto it and the amperage on it. So because when you use this, you cannot use just the battery tender, the pigtail. You do have to add the one that has some amperage in it, and that comes with it. The only thing you do have to get, which I think is $11, and it's the AC to DC battery lead, and that's right. If you can see it, that's right here. I'll do another video, a picture of that one, but yeah, so technically it's altogether about $170, which is not bad at all. The reason that I love it is because it's got the heating elements, but the thing is they're micro alloy stainless steel. Most of the heated things, most of them are they're copper, which is very hard to like for your gloves. So it's very like it's bulky, very bulky. But since it's got, you know, let me put cruise control real quick. Since it's got like, you know, the little stay still. Since it's got like these little grooves here, and it's got like this and more grooves here, kind of helps with the dexterity. Is that the word? Dexterity? I'm not sure what the word is, but basically what it is, basically it's that, and due to the stainless steel, it's actually very it keeps you with it makes you get like a textile feel. So instead of being bulky, you're like, oh, like this, actually it's not that bad. So, and the thing is, so the heating elements go from back here, or back basically right here, and then between the fingers. So they're not on top of the fingers, and they're not behind, like they're not on the palms and stuff like that, which some people like they do not like it. But I know a lot of people, they're like, oh well, I don't like it because of the fact that they don't like, it's not on your palms, it's not on the top of your hands, on the bottom of your hands. But the point is, the wind hits you like this. So when you're riding like this in the cold, the wind is going through your fingers and right there. So with these gloves, it basically, while you're riding like this, you have no problem at all. Like I said, I love them a lot. They're amazing. Like right now they're on medium, but like I said, right now I'm on medium, and since I'm holding it right here, literally I'm not feeling any wind. If I speed up, I still don't feel it. Like I have no cold hands, cold things. Just a little on the tips, but that's because you're like this a little. But when I'm gripping the bars, the handles, then you don't feel there's no cold anymore. So as long as you hold on tight, then these gloves are nice. So basically a lot of people are like, well, why don't you just go get Gerben, because Gerben's fully covered and they're like, it's got grip everywhere. Well, I was thinking about Gerben, but the thing is, FX DLS Brooklyn, he has those gloves, and the thing is, one whole winter he kept losing the heating on it, and he went to go order it, which is good, but he didn't have them all winter. So that, I mean, that really sucked for him, because he had to wear regular gloves and he couldn't ride as much in the winter. So that's my big fear for these ones. Like if there's a Cycle Gear near you, you can replace them right away, and if not, you just send them and they'll just give you another pair right away. So that's where Cycle Gear is on point. Cycle Gear is amazing. Let's not get too lost over here, because I have no clue where I am. Ooh, that's ice. That's a black ice. That is beautiful, man. Yeah, so man, these houses. Yeah, so like I said, so with Gerben, it's just for the gloves, it's $180, and then you have to be $60, because then you have to get the temperature gauge to get it warm or hot, and that's $60. And then you want to get the extension, which is another $12. Then you have to get the battery lead, everything, and that's another $12. So it adds up. If you guess, you can get the battery, because people are always like, why don't you just get the batteries? And I don't get the battery because I ride all winter, and since I ride all winter, the thing is, like, if it's on low, the battery can last 6 hours. And the thing is, if it's that cold outside, it's not gonna be on low. I always lose. Most of the time I keep it on medium, because that's how cold it gets. These are nice houses. So I mean, that's why it's one thing. But so yeah, like I said, like, whoa, man, that's nice. But like I said, it's, for me, like, I'd rather invest in this instead of keep buying batteries and keep buying batteries and keep buying batteries, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, so basically with this one, it's $160, and it comes with everything. So you might as well just get these. And like I said, I'm telling you, they are warm. Like they're very warm, even though they're only they are only between the, you know, in between the tips. Like my whole hands are very warm right now. So like I said, yeah, you can go get Gerben, spend more money, or you can just get the ones with the batteries. But in my mind is just go with HotWired Heated Gloves. It comes everything for $160, $160. Where are you going? The f? Can't trust anywhere, huh? No matter where you go. So yeah, so there are 3 settings. So obviously, let me go for a second. Let me pull over somewhere so I can actually explain the settings, so without, you know, worrying about getting hit by anyone, because I almost got hit twice so far. Let's turn this way. Ooh, these gloves are hot now. Alright, so real quick, let me show you the gloves. So the settings are simple. When you start it, it's going to start on red, right? And that's hot. Like, I've only used it once, and that's just to warm up my gloves hands real quick, because they're freezing. But they get really, like, very, very, very hot, you know? So that's really hot enough. So then you go medium, you know, so that's cool. I usually stick it on medium when it's, if it's lower, if it's 32 and lower. And then it's on low, which is green. And these are good for, like, you know, a little after, you know, 32 and higher. So I love, like I said, they're good. Got the wires. Let me show you the pigtail real quick. This is what I'm talking about. With the pigtails right here, I got the new pigtail lead connected to the battery, which is very simple to do. And so then here's the battery, little AC to DC battery lead is right here. So I think that was like $11. Some people are like, why do you have the wiring? No one likes the wiring, whatever, which is, wiring does suck, but at the same time, it's like, I am cheap, I don't want to waste my battery. I'd rather save money on other things than buying batteries, because down here, for some reason, in West Texas, the batteries die quick. I don't know if it's a dry air, I have no clue what it is. So yeah, those are the 3 settings. Sorry, I'm like dripping on my nose right now. The thing is, if you go watch that, the Cycle Gear set the video, YouTube video, they do explain like the thread count or whatever the heck is called with like how it stays warm in here. So basically, like even if it's like, if it's 40 degrees outside, I'll wear these gloves without the wiring, and I could like these are very warm even without the wiring. So if you're like even riding with the wind, yeah, so if you're riding with the wind and you don't have the wires on, it still is very good. Like it's still, they are very warm, better than any other glove, gauntlet glove I've gotten, you know. So like people do complain about like, oh well, the gauntlet, it's not as, it can't like fit my jacket in there. I have a Olympia jacket, it's a big Olympia jacket, and mine fit, so I'm not sure, maybe I just got skinny arms, I don't know, who knows. But like I said, these gloves are amazing. Like, I love them. I mean, I don't care what everyone else thinks. You want to get Gerben, you want to get whatever you want. HotWired Heated Gloves, Cycle Gear is the way to go, because then exactly is, they can size it in the right way too if you go to Cycle Gear. So I highly recommend going to Cycle Gear. I have no clue where I am. I don't know where I am. It's getting cold, so put them on medium. I mean, I'll find my way out of here eventually, right? See, it keeps me warm. The thing is, I think they look good too. Like, they're good. And like I said, the text, it's bulky, but it's not as bulky as a lot of other companies, you know? Like I said, I've been 15 degrees outside and I felt amazing. Like, I had my Olympia jacket, a t-shirt underneath, and that's all I had underneath. And I was warm up top, you know? I don't want to go that way because I have no clue where I'm going that way. Trying to find my other way to get out of here. Man, I'm getting lost in the rich area. That's okay. I'm probably pissing people off with my, you know, exhaust. Anyways, yeah, and the big, no, also what's kind of cool is it's got suede on the bottom, on like the palms, so basically it's like, so the gloves will last longer. And also it's got some suede here, so you can wipe, you know, whatever it is, you know, that dirt or whatever, you can wipe it on real quick. See, a nice wipey. So that's cool. So those are, like I said, those are a bunch of my those are my positives part about it. So the negative things about this is one is they do feel chunky, but the thing is all these gears, all these gloves really are chunky. Yeah, all these gloves are very chunky, but these ones, like I said, of all the gloves I've like ever tried out and whatever, these ones are really one of the most comfortable, and they're, like I said, they're more grippy because all the stuff that it comes with it. Like I said, go to Cycle Gear website, I'll go on their YouTube site, and it'll explain every single little thing. I know where I am now. I know where I am. All right, and the other thing is also the red. For the red one, it is hot. It's muy caliente. If that's Spanish, I don't know. Muy caldo. Yeah, it's very, very hot. Like, you can only wear them for like a minute, like a hot minute, and then besides that, it's like, it's really just to warm up those gloves, and that's it. This usually, the sunset is, or sunrise usually comes out right here. It is beautiful. Welcome, there's the oil jacks over here. Welcome to West Texas, Permian Basin. All right, so the other thing is the last thing that's very annoying is this is negative, is the wiring. Like, the thing is the long wires. I'll try to do a quick video of how I put it on. And the thing is, when I have my jacket on, you have to put the long extension wire over your back like a backpack. Then you hold them on your gloves, then you got to hold them on your hand, put them in your glove, on your jacket, and then tighten it, and then so your basically doesn't fall off your shoulder. I know it's hard to explain, but I'll definitely do a quick video while I'm talking about this, how I get it on. And the thing is, if I'm riding my just my vest and a hoodie, then it's obviously it's cold enough, it's warm enough where I can just wear these gloves without the wiring. So basically, if I have to put the wiring on, then that's because it's too cold, and I definitely need the heated on it, you know. I usually, if it's just my vest and without just the vest and a hoodie, I usually don't do the wiring, because like even that is, the wind will still go through my vest and stuff. So basically, I would just rather deal with the jacket, you know, when it's super cold. I will do a review on this jacket though. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If I missed something, please comment down below, please. If you want any questions, anything, if there's something that I didn't answer to you, or if there's something that I didn't say to y'all about it, please comment down below and I will, oh my gosh, I will answer. Oh, that scared me for a sec. I will answer whatever you want. Just, yeah, comment down below, let me know about it, because I'm pretty sure I missed something. But yeah, please, I do, like I said, I do highly recommend this, and that's like yeah, it's a little pain in the butt with this with the wiring and everything, but besides that, once you get how to do the wiring, it's simple, you know. The wiring is very simple once you get the hang of it. Yeah, sir. Do I want to go to Walmart? I don't know. Yeah, so anyways, yeah, comment down below and we'll figure that out. You know, any questions, comment down below. So anyways, this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for the channel, then please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.